In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Remitly money transfer app. Let's begin. So once you've downloaded the app, you're going to be greeted by this interface where it says create a new profile or I already have a profile. If you already have an account, simply head over to the bottom and select that option. But we are going to be creating a new account. So select create a new profile. So from here, it's going to say where do you want to send money? So you're going to choose the starting country and then the end country. We will be using Canada. And then for 2, we are going to be using India. From here, it's going to ask you to create your Remitly profile. So you'll have to enter in your email address, create a password, and then confirm that password. Or alternatively, you can either use your Google or Apple account to create your Remitly account. So at the top of the screen, it's going to show you the best conversion rate. If you simply want to change it, head over to the top left and then select the pencil icon, and then choose any other country. So after choosing Argentina, it's going to show me a different exchange rate. If you want to add a recipient, simply head over to the bottom left second corner. Then go to the top right and select Add. From here, you're going to be asked to enter in the first name, last name, mobile number, and the recipient's email address and the recipient's physical address. So at the bottom, it's going to say reason for sending. You're going to choose a reason as to why you're going to be sending money. Once done, select Save. And it's going to tell you that the recipient has been added. Then if you want to send money, simply head over to the middle of the screen at the bottom and select Send. And it's going to ask you who are you sending the money to. Select your recipient. Then at the top, it's going to ask you to enter in your own amount. After entering your amount, it's going to show you what the other recipient is going to receive in their local currency. And then a promo exchange rate has been applied because this is a new account. But then after you've sent money for the first time, that promo code or promo exchange rate will not be applied anymore. The delivery speed, we have Express and Economy. So since this is a new account, it's going to be the same amount. But after the first transfer, they're going to cost differently. Then if you head over to the bottom, there's going to be a small fee that's going to be applied. Once you're happy with everything, select Continue. Then there's going to be various delivery methods, either UPI, bank deposits, or cash pickup. If you're unsure about what a UPI is, simply select What is UPI, and it's going to give you more information about what it is. So from here, it's going to ask you to choose a cash pickup point. Select one, and it's going to ask for your recipient city and state. Then you'll be asked to enter in your own details. Afterwards, you'll be asked to enter in your physical address. You'll enter your city, province, and then the postal code. Once you're done, select Continue. Then you'll be asked to enter in your phone number. Then from here, you'll be asked to enter in your own payment method. You could either add a new card, Apple Pay, or Interact e-transfer. Or alternatively, you can use your bank account instead at the bottom. Select OK, then select Add Bank Account. Then you have the option to either use checking or savings. Once you're done adding in your details, select Continue. From there, you will be able to send money to the other recipients from a different country. And there you go. If you want to sign up for Remitly, the link will be provided in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.